I'm Christine Frizzau in Washington. Some top doctors in this country say they were victims of censorship. Now they'll have a major podium from which to speak, with top roles in the Trump administration. Was it a wet market or the Wuhan lab? How effective were masks, social distancing, and shutting down schools? These questions at the center of a years-long investigation into the worldwide response to the coronavirus pandemic.
You saw, obviously, a cover-up by China. We saw a cover-up within our government and a cover-up amongst international scientists.
Congressman Brad Wenstrup is chairman of the House Select Committee on the coronavirus pandemic. Its report concluding, among other things, that the virus most likely emerged from a laboratory in Wuhan, China, with sharp criticisms about how those who backed that school of thought initially were treated and now have emerged as top choices in the next Trump administration. Donald Trump has chosen a lot of people for his public health team who have kind of been opposed to the way that the government responded from the get-go.
You're talking about people who were basically silenced in one way or another through censorship or just being chastised for having a different opinion.
That scientific debate included a paper called the Great Barrington Declaration, raising grave concerns about the damaging physical and mental health impacts of the prevailing COVID-19 policies, like lockdowns and school closures. One of its authors, Jay Bhattacharya, now chosen to head the National Institutes of Health. For the Food and Drug Administration, Trump has chosen Dr. Marty Makary for commissioner. He helped oversee a vast scientific study that was taken down out of fears its results could lead to vaccine hesitancy. Concerns about vaccine hesitancy also raised by Trump's pick to lead Health and Human Services, Robert F. Kennedy Jr. For years, he's run the nonprofit Children's Health Defense, and one of their main missions is to file lawsuits challenging vaccines and public health mandates, raising concerns this could lead to diseases that have mostly been eradicated, like polio, returning. President-elect Donald Trump's choices to sit at the top of his public health team will need Senate confirmation. Those hearings are set to begin in January before Trump himself is sworn in. In Washington, I'm Christine Frizzau.